Welcome to MG Organics, where chemistry empowers agriculture and every drop is a step toward a greener, more prosperous future. From the heart of India's chemical belt to farmlands across the world, the MG Organics isn't just a manufacturer. We're a driving force for agricultural transformation, established with a vision to innovate and inspire. MG Organics has rapidly grown into a trusted name in agrochemicals, intermediates, industrial solvents. We are a leading manufacturer of synthetic pyrethroids, insecticides, herbicides, fungicides, intermediates, bulk formulations. With a focus on quality, sustainability, and scientific precision, we deliver powerful solutions that protect crops, empower farmers, and support industries with unmatched reliability. Whether you're a farmer, agro dealer, exporter, or industrial buyer, imagine partnering with a company that understands your needs, your timelines, and your growth goals. From research and development labs to formulation plants, every product we create is manufactured with care, tested with global standards, and delivered with purpose. Our facility, capable of producing 12,000 plus metric tons annually, stands as a symbol of trust, innovation, and performance. Across India and beyond, businesses and farmers alike are growing with MG Organics. Why? Because we don't just sell chemicals. We build relationships, deliver value, and share your vision for success. At MG Organics, we're more than suppliers. We're your partner in progress, because with us, your growth is our purpose. Visit our website or connect with us today. Let's grow together.